This is a dead bird that's about to be dead. We shot him in the wing. Oh, don't. And right now we're trying to, well, he's going to die soon, but we're sorry, little birdie. You were just messing up our dinner. Don't try to. We will kill your friends and family. We are demented. We are a demented family. Yes, we are. Yes, you are. Sorry, bird. You will die soon. Hurt the crap out of him. He's alive, but he'll die soon. This is going to be very demented when we wake up in the morning and see him dead. You're very demented people. Ah, crap. Ants are already crawling all over him. We're sorry, bird. Ants. See ants in this video? Tell me. I see. Close your mouth. He's just trying to breathe very hard. We're going to end this episode here. We just killed a bird, not board. Is it possible to kill a bird? I don't know. Bye. George, I actually hit him with the stick and he's alive. He's gonna move. Wait. Is he gonna move? Shooting an acorn. Okay. Dang it, didn't hit him. I don't want to toss it at him. Maybe we can just toss it at him? No, he's not moving. Usually birds would jump or go away. Wait, why aren't you moving, bird? Get a long stick. Dang it. Get a long stick. The only option we have right now. Longer stick. Move, bird. Move. Move, bird. Move. 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 Sorry. We're gonna end this here.